Your final exam starting soon, completing assignments or even projects. If you're a school student, I'm sure your brain has been working all the time. But let's switch gears for a bit and discuss something fun, study breaks. Stay with us till the end and unleash those things which you can do while on study break. But hey, don't worry, you won't be wasting time. Rather, these will help you study even better. Don't believe me? Let me show you. Number 1. Tidy up. Continuously studying in a messy environment can actually allow your mind to lose concentration and also decrease productivity. Hence, by just taking small breaks, why not tidy up some of your cabinets or even your study table? Number 2. Play a game or solve a puzzle. A little fun during your study break is definitely mandatory. Playing a few board games or solving a puzzle will help your mind to feel relaxed and light, which in turn will allow you to study better. Number 3. Exercise. Exercise is not only good for the body but also good for the mind since it helps in improving your memory power and attention. Studies have proven that kids who exercise during their study break tend to have a greater amount of focus after completing the break. Number 4. Listen to music. Research has found out that listening to music can actually lower your cortisol levels in the body. Cortisol is basically the primary stress hormones in the bloodstreams. For long study sessions, background music is helpful as this will help you be more focused and motivated, which in turn will help you endure studying for a longer period of time. Number 5. Take a shower. Why shower, you may ask? Well, because taking a shower can create insanely creative ideas in your mind. And that's what we want to do while taking breaks. Showering is an activity that lets the mind wander in all directions, which is very helpful for learning. So these were some of the things that you can consider while taking a break from studying. Ever wondered how you can actually cut down on procrastinating? Well, this video is just for you. Until then, goodbye.